Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to apply for a personal loan through Lendingclub. If you need funds for debt consolidation, a big purchase, or an emergency, here's a quick walkthrough on applying for a personal loan with Lendingclub. The first step is to visit the Lendingclub website or mobile app. Go to lendingclub.com or just open the mobile app and then select personal loans from the menu. Next is to check your loan options. Now you want to enter basic details like loan purpose, whether it's debt consolidation, credit cards, major expenses, etc. And then you're going to enter your desired amount. Lendingclub will soft check your credit. Don't worry, this won't affect your score. Next is to review pre-qualified offers. Now you're going to see loan amounts that's available to you, interest rate ranges, monthly payment estimates. So just choose the option that best fits your needs. Once that's done, the next step is to submit your application. Provide more details: income, employment, housing information, identity verification document, and confirm bank account info for funding. Next is to wait for approval and funding. Lendingclub will finalize approval, and once approved, funds will usually be deposited in a few days. And that's how you apply for a personal loan through Lendingclub. Up next, we're going to look at how to check your eligibility and pre-qualify for Lendingclub loans. So be sure to check out that video so you don't miss out. But that's pretty much it for this one, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.